Imagine a world where AI helps you find your perfect job match, not based on keywords, but your true skills. OpenAI's new AI-powered jobs platform, launching in mid-2026, aims to transform hiring as we know it. What is the OpenAI Jobs platform? OpenAI has announced a revolutionary job platform that uses AI to match qualified candidates with companies based on demonstrated AI skills, especially in fast-growing areas like automation and prompt engineering. Why is it different? Unlike traditional job portals, this platform integrates AI certifications from OpenAI Academy to verify your skills. It's designed to bridge the gap between AI talent and employers, from big corporations to local businesses and governments. Impact and opportunities. This platform could disrupt hiring by focusing on skills, not just resumes. It offers higher-paying roles, practical experience opportunities, and helps companies easily find AI-ready talent to modernize their workflows. What's next? Set to launch next year, OpenAI's jobs platform aims to skill millions and create a new AI-fluent workforce. Stay tuned. This could reshape how millions find meaningful, future-proof work.